Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel FashDecor. Today we have something exciting episode lined up for you as we exploring some creative and stylish flower pots ideas to beautifully your balcony. Whether you have a small or suspicious balcony, these ideas will surely add a touch of nature to your outdoor space. Let's dive right in. When it's come to selected flower pots for your balcony, consider facts like size, material, and design. Opt for the lightweight material like plastic or a fiberglass for easily modifying, and choose a variety of sizes to create a visual insects. Maximizing your balcony space by incorporating hanging pots. These not only add up vertical dimensions to your balcony but also allow you to grow a variety of plants without taking up visually floor space. Get creative with different shapes and colors for eye-catching display. Inject a burst of a color into your balcony with vibrant chromatic pots. These pots come into wide range of hues and pattern, allows to express your personal style. Mix and match of colors, living and cheerful atmosphere. Personalize your balcony odds with the fun and bucket-friendly DIY projects. Cramp some templates, pots, and unleash your creativity with plant, paint, create pattern and documented designs, or even a hand printed motifs to take its pot unique. If space is corner, consider using tied plant stands. These multi-level stands not only save space but also create a classing effect, making your balcony look like a lush green pendant, ideally for showcasing a variety of plants. For those who limited space, suddenly the perfect choice. This compact size allows the creator charming mini garden in small pots. Mix different sizes and shapes, stunning varieties of deserves, and low maintenance display. And there we have it, a box of varieties of flower pots ideas to transform your balcony into the boiling have. Do not forget to share your balcony gardening tips and favorite flower pots design in the comment below. And if you enjoy this video content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more gardening inspiration, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest update from us. And we will see you in next video. Keep decorating and keep learning these interesting decor items. So happy decorating and happy gardening. So thank for watching and see you in next time. Thank you.